Hello and welcome to another video from the Technology Training Team. Today we're going to show you how to create a discipline incident in Synergy. The exact steps vary depending on the type of incident. For the purpose of this video, we will enter the bullying harassment incident because there are a few extra steps for those. Okay, let's get started. Open the pad tree, go to Synergy SIS, Discipline Incident, Incidents. Click Add. The default incident date is the current date. If the incident happened on an earlier date, change to that date. All text boxes marked in green are required, so fill those out. The referrer type is also required. You can select more than one location in the drop-down list. For example, this may be necessary if the incident began on the bus, then continued on school grounds. When selecting the violation, be as specific as possible. For example, there are several bullying harassment options. Select the one that most closely describes the incident. It's important to remember that any information typed in the Notes text box will print and be viewable to all Synergy users who have access to the Discipline module. Click Next. Locate the offender line in the Participants section. Click in the Student Name box. Begin typing the offender's name, then select it from the list. Enter a brief description of the offender's actions during the incident in the Incident Role Description text box. Depending on the violation, there may be additional data fields to include, such as motivation. Click Add to add additional participants if necessary. Any incident of bullying or physical attack must designate a victim. A participant can only have one role. If the role of the additional participant is also offender, select the Violations checkbox. If the role is victim or witness, leave empty. Once all participants have been added, click Next. Click the Add button to enter an intervention that took place. In the Student column, select one of the participants from the drop-down list. Select the intervention taken for that student from the drop-down list. You can enter a comment for the intervention if necessary. Click Add again to add additional intervention steps if necessary, and repeat the above steps. Once all intervention steps have been added, click Next. To add a disposition, click the Add button. Disposition is the term used by Synergy to indicate the response to the incident. Select a participant from the student drop-down list. Select a disposition code from the drop-down list. Select a staff name from the drop-down list. Depending on the incident type, there may be additional required fields. For example, suspensions must include start date and end date. To add another disposition, click Add. Otherwise, click Next. Review the incident summary. If changes are needed, click Previous to go back to the previous page. Otherwise, click Complete to enter the incident record. The incident is now created with an incident number. Depending on the type of incident, you may need to add additional information. In this demo, we selected bullying harassment, so we also need to add bullying harassment intimidation or BHI investigation information, as well as the BHI reporting number. Let's look at where to add the BHI investigation information. Click the Information tab. Scroll down. Expand the Students Involved section. Click Bullying, Harassment, Intimidation, Investigation. In the Alleged Motive section, click Add to add a motive. In the Investigation Codes section, click Add to add the bullying investigation code. Once you have added all information, click Save. Next, let's go over where to add the PHI reporting number. On the Information tab, scroll down to the last section, Incident Bullying, Harassment, Intimidation. Enter the PHI reporting number. Select Yes or No from the substantiated drop-down list. Click Save. And that's how to add a discipline incident in Synergy. Be sure to check out our other videos on the discipline module, as well as other Synergy videos. This has been another production from the Technology Training Team. Thanks for watching.